Hello, in front of me I've got Microsoft Surface Duo. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. At the beginning, enter Google Pay app and tap on this blue button right here. Focus on Loyalty, Gift Card and Transit. Select your shop, for example IKEA Poland, and enter details manually. Then tap Save. Let's go back. And now let's select gift card. Similar to loyalty card, but you'll have to add card number, PIN, balance and your notes, then tap Save. And the last one is transit. Select your transit method. You'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the form. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.